Tomorrow is the 31st. We enter the election year in August. These elections, the date for the same is clearly written in the Constitution. It shall be the second Tuesday of the month of August. And if you do your calculations, it is the 10th of August 2027. Next year. So we have no time. And this is why Bwana Ruto has panicked together with his team. I was in Zanzibar, just for full disclosure, after having breakfast meeting with editors. You may have seen that on Tuesday morning at the Stanley. I took off for Zanzibar, and yesterday I took a nice boat from Zanzibar to Dar es Salaam. I was leaving Dar es Salaam this morning at 5. So just ask yourself, unless Ruto and his bloggers na nikaona watu wamepata wasiwasi sana. I want to assure all our supporters, all the citizens of this country, if I'll be the last man to drive Ruto out, I will.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One term.
One term.
Ruto.
One term.
Ruto.
One term.
Kasongo. Arambe. One term. Aende asiende. Aende.